In the cloud, where hearts once bloomed, now echo silence, love entombed. In the rush of self, humanity's fate, lost in the tides of individual state. Once, we danced in unity's embrace, a tapestry woven, each unique trace. But now, in the pierce of selfish glare, the fabric frays, love's threads lay bare. Gone are the days of collective song, replaced by discord, a chorus gone wrong. In the quest for self, we've lost the key to unlock the door to peace and unity. Where once empathy flowed like a river stream, now apathy reigns, a cold, distant dream. We've traded connection for fleeting gain, leaving a haunting void, a heart's refrain. But hope still flickers in the darkest night, a beacon calling for love's tender light. For in the depths of our shared humanity lies the power to heal, to restore harmony. So let us cast off the shackles of greed, and sow the seeds of love with every deed. For in collective kindness, we'll find our way to rebuild the bonds that have decayed. Let love be our guide, our compass true, and through collective hearts, humanity renew. For in unity's embrace, we'll rise above and reclaim the beauty of collective love.